In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix MyFitnessPal not working on Android with quick solutions. If your MyFitnessPal app is crashing, freezing, or refusing to load, the quickest and most reliable fix is to reset the app's local data on your phone. This does not delete your account or your cloud-backed entries. It simply refreshes the app file size that can become corrupt over time. Before you begin, make sure you know how you sign in to MyFitnessPal and that you have a stable internet connection. You'll be logged out during this process, and unsynced offline entries may not return, but anything previously synced to your account will come back after you log in. Start by finding the MyFitnessPal icon on your Android home screen or in the app drawer. Press and hold the icon until a small menu appears. Depending on your device, you might see shortcuts, a tiny information icon, or a panel that slides up. You're looking for the option that opens the app's settings page. Tap App Info. This takes you into the Android settings for MyFitnessPal, where you can manage notifications, permissions, battery usage, and storage. From here, look for Storage and Cache. On some phones, it might simply say Storage. Both lead to the same place where the app's saved files and temporary cache are managed. Now choose Clear Storage. You may see it labeled as Clear Data on certain Android versions. It's the same action. If you're prompted to confirm, go ahead. This is different from clearing the cache. Cache only removes temporary files, which often isn't enough to fix deeper loading or login issues. Clearing storage performs a clean reset of the app on your device, which is why it's so effective. Again, this won't delete your MyFitnessPal account or any data stored on their servers, but it will remove downloaded data from your phone and sign you out. Once that's done, open MyFitnessPal again. You'll land on the welcome or login screen. Sign in using the same method you normally use, whether that's a username and password or a connected sign-in provider. Keep your internet connection steady and give the app a moment to rebuild its data and resync your entries. If you're asked for permissions, such as activity or notifications, allow what you need so features work correctly. When the home screen appears and your information loads, try the tasks that were failing before to confirm everything is back to normal. That's it. You located the app, opened App Info, went to Storage and Cache, cleared storage, and logged back in. This quick reset solves most Android issues with MyFitnessPal in just a few minutes.